Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll guide you on how to like the status on WhatsApp. Let's jump right in. First, open the Play Store or your App Store on your phone. Search for WhatsApp in the search bar. If an update is available, then tap Update button to ensure that you're using the latest version of the app. Next, launch the WhatsApp on your device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Updates tab. Select the status of the person you want to like or open it to view. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the heart icon to like the status. Once you like the status, the person will receive a notification that you've liked their status. And that's it. You've successfully liked a status on WhatsApp. If this tutorial was helpful, like this video and subscribe for more tips. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching!